In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in Instagram if you forgot your password without your email and phone number. Now, if you found this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recovery videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So now the first thing you need to do, you need to open your Instagram application. Now here on the login page, submit your username, email or mobile number. Then click on forgot password here at the bottom. Now at this point, just click on can't reset your password. So now you land to this page. Now scroll down. Now here under username and password troubleshooting, select the very first option, recover your Instagram password. Then scroll down. Now here where it says, if you're not able to reset your password this way, visit this page. So click on that link. So now land to this page. Why can't you get into your account? You select the second option, I forgot my password. Then click on next here at the bottom. So now land to this page, trouble logging in. So enter your email, phone number or username once more. Then click on send login link. So a login link has been sent to email address. So minimize this window and open your Gmail application to receive the email. So now open the email. So now you'll be able to see two options, login as and reset your password. But you click the very first one, login as. And by doing that, you have now logged into Instagram account without your phone number or email address. So that's for today's video. So if you find this guide useful, consider giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more recovery videos. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you stay safe.